Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do some nail art. We're gonna do these nails. Oops, there we go. We're gonna imitate a famous artist. I'm sure you can guess who it is. Put your comments down below before I tell you who. We're gonna imitate, or try to imitate, Jackson Pollock. Yes, that guy. And in order to do this, we're gonna use a very simple technique. All you need is a straw and nail polish. You might need a couple additional things if you wanna keep the mess to a minimum though, but you'll see. It's gonna be really fun and really easy. So follow along. So like any great artist, we need to start with a white canvas. And for that, I'm going to choose this white polish from Hollow Taco named, what's it called? Not Milky White, it's called. Okay, so there you go. That's the official name, Not Milky White by Hollow Taco. And that's what we're gonna do. If you can see here, it's separating a little bit, so I just need to shake it for a second. Apparently you shouldn't shake it, because if you shake it, you can create bubbles, but I haven't had that issue yet, so I'm gonna keep shaking. You're supposed to roll it like this. Roll it. But I guess we'll see. Start with the index finger. Well, there you go. There's some bubbles right there. I don't know, that's just part of my nail. What the fuck is that? Well, I don't know. Whatever, it went away. So, yeah, we can clean that up. Don't worry about it. I'm only gonna show you one side because the other side's gonna be the same. Okay, guys? No need of me showing you how to paint your nails white twice. That's what I'm thinking. I keep forgetting I need to glide the paint, not just put it on. But let me see if I can do it. Oh yeah, way better. See the difference? I can see the difference. It's way better. Yeah, there you go. See, the right side is way more opaque and well done than the middle. Well, I fucked that one up. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. You can always do a second coat. So yeah, let's just get these puppies dry. I'll be right back. Okay fellas, so I've applied the second coat of nail polish as well because I don't want to bore you. And now we are going to apply some liquid latex. This is what I use. Liquid latex for nails, but I'm sure you can probably use craft grade liquid latex. Not financial advice, but you could use that if you wanted to, probably. Okay, let me just get started. So we're using the liquid latex to ease up on the cleanup afterwards, because it's gonna be a mess probably. Oof. Right there, perfect. Okay, so two important things that you're gonna need. A straw. This is a metal straw, doesn't have to be a metal straw. I just don't have any plastic straws. And, come on, focus. You can do it. There we go. And some place to put the nail polish on. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna drip spots of nail polish onto the tin foil. Then we're gonna use the the top or the tip of the straw to dunk it in the pool. And then we're gonna put our nail not on top of the polish, but on top of this guy. And we're gonna blow. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with black. We're gonna use this SE Licorice. I think it's licorice. What is it? Licorice. Yeah, nail polish color, basically black. I want to do black at the bottom just so that it has a nice contrast, contrast with the white, and then we can go from there. Basically, like I said, I have my tinfoil here. I'm just gonna show this once, but let me just shake it. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you grab a bunch of nail polish and you just dab it there. Oh, you can't see shit. Okay, there. Dab it there. You grab a little more. Dab it there. And there needs to be enough to cover the whole tip of the straw. So you might need to replenish this. Okay. So now that's done, you grab the tip of your straw, dunk it in there, and then you just spray. Ta-da! See? Looks great. Next. Perfect. Next. Fantastic. Next. That's a little less. I'm gonna do it twice. Perfect. And last but not least, whoops, a little bit more again. Yep. Come on. There we go, that should be enough. Okay, I'm gonna do the other hand by myself, and you can go entertain yourself. Next, we're gonna use this blue by OPI, called whatever, oh, Mi Casa's Blue Casa. And yeah, so same thing. Is this a waste of nail polish? I don't think so. Maybe, I haven't quantified it. Also cleaned the tip of my straw, and then we're gonna start again. Whoops, I was not on frame. Come on. Ta-da. Okay, now this one. The last one. So this might be cheating, but I need a little bit more blue right here, so I'm just gonna dab it there, right there, and dabbing it. I'm not cheating, you're cheating. Shut up. Okay, so there we go. Those are the nails. That's the blue. Next. Okay, now I'm gonna use this green one from Hollow Taco called Bring Me the Teal. Guess it's teal. I thought teal was a little bit more bluey, but that's whatever, I don't care. Maybe wrong. I may be crazy as well. If anybody knows that song, put it in the comments. Cool. Next. Next. Whoops, a little too much. Okay. And now finally the thumb. Your thumb. Got it. A little bit. There you go. That's probably enough, right? Maybe a little bit more over here. Whatever. There. Good enough. Cool. Next color. Okay. Up next, we are gonna use this red from Holo Taco named Hot Take. And yeah, let's get to it. Whoops. Okay, there. Whoops, a little too much red on that one, but whatever. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that works. Perfect. Oh, there's a wasp. There's a wasp outside my window. So these have not dried yet, but that's good because we need to remove the sticky stuff. There we go. One sticky stuff out. Sticky stuff. All the other sticky stuff. So see, like, just getting everything out of it. Come on, stick to your thing. See, it doesn't stick when you want it to. This one doesn't have enough. I have house. Next one. Because I'm done with colors, what I want to do now is just top it off with some clear coat, top coat. Some top coat to finish everything off. So yeah, to finish up, we're gonna use this one from OPI, just a basic top coat. I don't know why it's not focusing, stupid camera. Whatever, it's just a base coat, a top coat. Cool, let's just get onto it. It's really hard to see where you're applying the top coat, honestly, in these, because I guess you shouldn't need to see, you just need to trust the process, but I kind of like to see where I'm doing stuff. And now for some close-ups. Thanks so much for coming, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you're following at home, I hope you nail yours. Like and subscribe.